Okay, good morning. It's Mike Green with Keller Williams. Today's business spotlight, we have Josh and Ciana with the Chocolate Gallery in downtown Bryan. They're the managers and executive chefs. They've been in business several years now. And obviously with the COVID virus, they're in a little bit of a hurt, just like everybody else is right now. So they're doing some creative things, I think, to kind of stay ahead of the curve. But they can always use our support in any way humanly possible. So why don't you guys tell us about yourselves, how you got into this concept, tell us about what the Chocolate Gallery is, just in case some people don't know what it is.
All right, well, we started out as a bakery and chocolate shop. It was kind of our baby from the start. We designed a business plan. We wanted to kind of showcase the artistry of baking and pastry. Originally, it was going to be a chocolate shop, but we found this beautiful spot bigger than we needed, so we kind of adjusted our business plan. And so we added cupcakes and cakes, and eventually a few years later we did gelato
and cheesecakes and
school tours.
We're all about diversification.
Yes. So we originally we had some cake decorating supplies as well for local cake bakers, and we've kind of expanded on that with a new business called Coco's Pantry, which is run by my mother-in-law, Ciana. And so we have a whole bunch of, basically a little mini Williams-Sonoma or Sur La Table in downtown Bryan, which is really cool. So we've been open since October 2012, and Coco's Pantry opened last year.
Yep.
And you guys are originally, you guys went to the Culinary Institute, which I bet you a bunch of people don't know.
Yes, yep. That's where we met. I'm originally from Bryan, College Station area, but Josh here is a California boy, and I convinced him to move to Texas.
Decision number.
That's a great story. That's a great story, guys. So
yeah, but we met at CIA.
Yeah, that's great. That's a beautiful area up there. I've been up there. So since the COVID virus has hit, how has that really affected your business plan? And are you guys doing some different stuff? I was on your website today and saw pizza. What's that all about?
So we closed down for about a month. I think technically we could have been open because we would have fallen under restaurant, but we stayed open for about a couple of weeks once everything started to happen, and we were getting no customers in. And so it was almost not even worth it to be open. So we kind of took time off, thought through some things and tried to restructure it. And so now that we're open again, we've kind of done more online stuff.
Yeah. During, the initial shutdown, we'd come in and, fulfill orders and stuff. But once people kind of got used to the new normal, more people started ordering. Ring Day started showing up with the Aggies. We're licensed with A&M. So we can do Aggie chocolates. And so during the Ring Day period, orders started picking up quite a bit
for shipping,
and in-store pickup. We offered both those on our website, but we also kind of brainstormed a little bit, and we made some DIY kits.
Yeah, we just for us, for the time that we were at home, we've got 2 kids, and so having both of your children at home when you're used to them being at school or daycare and trying to find unique things for them to do as they go stir crazy and get cabin fever, we as parents could totally recognize how people would need some help. And so we were like, well, some more things to do, because you run out of things pretty quickly with little ones. And so we were like, well, what do our kids like to do? And our son really loves being in the kitchen and helping us. And so we wanted to come up with some kits for kids, for things that you could do with your kids, but it's basically, we provide everything. It's real simple for them to do, and it's something fun for them to do. And with the pizza kit, you have dinner. So give something for the kids to do. They have dinner. They're more likely to eat it because they helped participate in it. It's a win-win, I think.
That's very creative. Are you guys doing gift certificates or anything like that?
Do what?
Are you doing gift certificates or anything right now?
We don't currently offer gift certificates. Coco's Pantry does. You can come in and purchase gift certificates for Coco's Pantry, and with that gift certificate, you can buy anything in the store, including our food items. It's like gelato, cheesecake slices, chocolates, cupcakes, all of that. She got the gift cards. But our pizza kit is really cool. It comes with the pre-baked or par-baked dough, the cheese, the sauce, the seasoning, pepperoni. You put it all together, and then just bake it. Comes with baking instructions, and then the cookie. We have a cookie decorating kit, and it's I think it's an 8-inch round, 10-inch round, 10-inch round chocolate chip cookie. It comes with icing and sprinkles. Cookies already baked, so you just let your kids have at it, let them decorate it, and then let them eat it.
Yeah, we bake it to order, so it's super fresh, ready to go.
Okay, so all the moms out there homeschooling right now, this is a perfect project. This can count as food, as math. You can count this as several subjects. So
yes, it's very educational. You can talk about cleanliness.
Yep.
Yes.
You guys have a website?
We do.
Yes, it's bcschocolategallery.com.
Okay.
And we also have shop.bcschocolategallery.com, which is our online website for ordering chocolates and things like that.
Anything else we can do to?
I'm sorry?
Anything else we can do to help you guys?
Just check our website, check our Facebook page. If you haven't already liked us or following us on Facebook or Twitter, do that, because we're trying to update those things as things become available. Just last week, we were selling Mother's Day cookie boxes. They're beautifully decorated cookies in a nice box that you can present to your mother. All you had to do was order it and then pick it up, and it was already had a ribbon tied around it. We're going to be doing the same thing for Father's Day. We'll have boxes for 4th of July. Basically, anything that's coming up will have items that you can pre-purchase and kind of have that ready to go, and it's already in a box and tied with a ribbon, ready to go and give as a gift.
Well, super. We're pulling for you guys. You're very creative people. You come up with some very creative solutions to kind of get through these couple months. Hopefully it's almost over for you guys. So thanks you for all you do. Let's just talk 30 seconds about real estate real quick. I do have a beautiful home at 3076 Paleo Point in Indian Lakes. Again, incredible home, which should have sold by now, but with the virus, nobody wants to go out and look at homes. So if you want to get on the website, go check it out, 3076 Paleo Point. I also have a video. If you want to contact me, I will send you the video. So, hey guys, good luck. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep being creative, and you'll make it through.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.